tropical rainforest. They are said to exhibit the highest level of biodiversity. They are home to half of all living animals and plants, 2/3 of all flowering plants, and house many species of natural medicine known to human.
The forest floor, which is the lowest of them all, receives the least amount of sunlight, as a result of which the plantation there, it is like nothing else that you've seen anywhere else on this planet. Very much resembles a plantation that you would possibly find in an ocean bed. See it for the first time and you will be flabbergasted, but see it for the second time a bit up close and with a lot more intent, and I'm sure nature's wizard craft will mesmerize you. The question is, am I in for this magic show? We'll find out really soon, because thanks to the good folks at CEAT, I'm headed to Amboli, an evergreen Eden that is situated in the Western Ghats. But I'm heading there to witness something really spectacular. Bioluminescence, have you ever heard of it? Well, I didn't until a couple of days ago. I am very much excited to witness it.
I've got my daily essentials, a camera, hiking boots, an SUV that can take on the highway, and tires that can sort me off the tarmac.
Now we know that the Tata Harrier is a heavy vehicle, but then these CEAT CrossDrive all-terrain tires with those rugged shoulder blocks, they are containing the body weight and the body roll really well. Bad roads, that's not a problem either. Yes, these are all-terrain tires, but then they really do grip well on tarmac. And talking about grip, there are a few people who have gripping information in specific areas. Subject matter experts, and guess what? I'm heading to meet one right now.
While studying Amboli's tropical rainforest, one name made itself prominent through my research. Time to meet a master microphotographer and one of the founders of the Malabar Nature Conservation Club.
हेमंत ओगले सर, नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप?
नमस्कार।
इतने सारे वैरायटी ऑफ ट्रीज, फ्लावर्स।
Many of the trees जो है वो पहले से ही है यहाँ पे। Amboli receives more than 10,000 millimeter of rainfall every year.
Okay.
So this is the wettest place in South India. So we have many endemic frogs, many endemic snakes, which were discovered from Amboli. And I think within last 15 years, Amboli से more than 20 species discovered हुए, which is new to science.
But the phenomena that I'm looking for, bioluminescence,
Yeah,
I think that is something
it's amazing.
Magical, right?
It's magical, definitely.
I hope I'm lucky enough to see it, but क्या लगता है आपको, टाइम हो गया?
Yeah, this is the best time.
हाँ, should we head in? ठीक है. All-terrain tires, they tend to perform better when the going gets tough. Now, if you notice the tread pattern carefully, you'll see stone ejectors within them. Their job is to perform exactly what the name suggests, as a result of which you have great contact patch and great control of your vehicle, irrespective of the surface that you're driving on.
So look at the diversity. Look, snails है, slugs है. So this is Varadia amboliensis.
Okay.
Recently described snail species from.
You think we should switch off our lights and see if we can capture something? So it's not visible to the video camera.
Video
right?
camera.
That would be difficult.
Not possible.
Okay, so that is difficult, switching off our lights right now in an attempt to spot something interesting.
So this is bracket fungus.
Oh yes.
So this white thing is also fungus.
That is fungus too?
That is fungus.
Okay. Oh, it's okay to touch it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that bioluminescent fungus can grow on this dead wood also.
So in monsoons, I'm guessing
Monsoon,
this place looks
yeah.
different.
Yeah.
Moss and fungus growing
Moss and
everywhere.
fungus.
And a lot of patches of bioluminescent fungus as well.
as well. Sometimes entire forest floor is glowing.
Magical.
Magic. It's magical.
It's difficult to sum what I am seeing here, witnessing here in words. So I'm going to make a mental note of it. I'm also going to take a photo for you guys to admire it later on. This is just beautiful.
Being able to capture this beautiful sight might have been challenging, but my journey was made easy by the CEAT CrossDrive all-terrain tires. They've been exceptional irrespective of the terrain that I drove on, and that entices me to move forward onto the next adventure.